Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Catch up on what's happening in my greenhouse. As you see, started tidying it up, start taking all the stuff that's around it down to get some more lighting. I will have to clean it, it's perspex. Just tend to just go quite easily, so some glass cleaner. Here we go, nice inside. Someone's just stepping in with the door open, it's amazing what a difference it makes. These are the plug plants I got from Thompson & Morgan. They came yesterday. I've potted them all up, as you can see, looking well. I've kept this, just telling me what varieties I've got there and there. And then on the right here, stops, cabbages, poppies there, about 53, 51, 53 there. To the right, everything's starting to take off now. This is Veronica, they're starting to grow nicely. Iris, this is my Nerines. These are all taking well now. They'll get potted on, but they're enjoying it in the greenhouse so far. There's my 5 peonies in pots, it's really starting to look well. And there, I forgot what's in there. Here we go, this dahlias, some more cabbages, geraniums there. These are perennial geraniums, not the type you have in your hanging baskets, they're pelargoniums. But yeah, it's really starting to take now. I thought it was going to rot at one point. It's starting to take, so. Right, just a quick catch up on what's going in my greenhouse. As you can see, getting there now. I need to build another shelf probably here. From there, extend that right across to there. Same with the other side, and then I can grow double the amount. So, if you like my videos, please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. And remember folks, happy sowing, happy growing. Have a good day everybody, thank you, bye.